Hello everybody, I ran here and today we're gonna be playing on the Battle Cats once again. And we're gonna try to make this more shorter. And let's go. No time for introduction. This might take a long battle. Y'all, should I do baby boom real quick? Let me see. God bless. Hold on, I'm gonna go to the menu. I need to do this fast. Go to my storage. Let's make this 4 minutes. Sumo cat? Nope. Oh, come on, I need to do this fast. The battle begins fast. Just best not get it. Anyways, actually the 3 minutes are gone already. If this video ends, that means that means my storage has been completely full. Okay, dude, faster. You know what? I'm doing this, no matter what. God bless you. What the heck? Achoo? God bless you, bitch. Now we're gonna have more fun. And plus they have too many enemies against us. Oh my god. You know what? Let's see. Do this fast, man. Do this fast! Finally. I am now in peace. Just kill them already. Please. Come on, dude. Defeat them, defeat them. Come on, come on. We need to do this faster. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. What does this do? The wrath of God. Let's do the wrath of God. Du, 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 du. You're dead. Come on, dude. Let's make this quick. Let's make this quick and ready. Come on, dude. An army of cats is coming at you. Come on, what are you gonna do? Cry? Get on your damn feet, sir. Alright. The movie, this video might end any time, but I'll tell you when I win. Oh my god, dude. You know what? I'm tired of this. I'm tired of these. I'm doing this one more time. Do the work. Please, please, please. I need to win this. Yo, that definitely did some damage. Please, penguins, bro. Die already, bro. Just let them die. Hold on. Let me do something real quick. God bless you. Come on. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Let's go, bro. God bless you, young man. We need our chance to attack the base. Come on. Dude, they're actually fighting back. Let's do lightning again. Frick. I lost them. No. Heal the base. Heal the base, please. Heal our cats. Because they are worthy. Come on, dude. Yo, let's go. Bro, they're actually fighting back. We might actually lose. These guys are too strong. Bro, please. Please, bro. God can't do anything now. Because we're actually killing. Because we're actually cooked. You know what? You know what? Hold on. I have a trick up our sleeve. You think this was over for all of us? Die. Die, you stupid penguins. You know what? Fine. We're gonna lose at this moment. We're gonna actually lose at this moment. We're cooked. GG. Bro, we lost. We had a bad team anyways. No. I guess at the end of the video. So guys, I'll be seeing you in around maybe in another day. So I'll be doing more Battle of the Cats content soon. Alright guys, have a good day.